Hi guys, I'll show you how to remove the it's a bit tricky. I already removed the hose and things, and this hose holding it to one clip over there, and this side holding with these two clip. Once you remove that too, and it's very easy to remove. So it's a throttle holding with 3 bolt, 1 2 3, and once you remove those bolt, so this bracket coming easily. And this is the faulty part, and I can show you. So see, as you can see, once you press the flap, it won't going back to the starting point. So it's mean the inside the mechanism is gone. You can hear the noise. So this comes with the spring inside anyway, so that one broken. That's why it's, once we open the flap, it's not going back to the starting point. I'll show you the new part. Yeah guys, this is the new part. As you can see, once we press this flap, it's coming back to the normal position. And I'll show you the old part what we remove from the car. And once we press the flap like that with the old part, it won't come back to the normal position. It's gonna stay like that. So that was the problem. So yeah, I'll show you how to put this part back and reset the code, and yeah. yeah, it's kind of straightforward job. And the let's delete the codes. As you can see, there are two codes for the throttle. One p155800, other one is p023800. So let me delete these codes first, and then we'll go for a test drive and do rescan. Yeah, we'll fire up the engine and we'll see.